Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Beautiful and attractive style, like original styling, crochet pattern, designing, hand embroidered style, and beautiful ideas like the pattern style, fruits and vegetables. Beautiful ideas and beautiful berries style look, crochet pattern as a decoration styling, as a gift way, pattern designs best idea for you, for different way, home decoration designing and styling, different vegetable mini size and mini styles. Beautiful ideas for different and beautiful color combination, and our color is beautiful and attractive, graceful bright colors combination.